Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Dio's diary is in your inventory and equipped in the item slot. This unlocks the unique interactions. Once done, walk to the diary interaction point, usually a marked booth or NPC, and press the interact key to open the entry sequence. You will see prompts for page selection. Follow them to reveal clues and trigger next objectives. Make sure to keep movement minimal during cutscenes, because interruptions can cancel the sequence and force a restart. You now progress by reading entries sequentially. Each page unlocks context-sensitive clues and can change NPC behavior. Once an entry updates, check your quest log. New objectives and waypoints often appear automatically. You should pair diary hints with environmental inspection. Examine suspicious objects, open nearby chests, and initiate conversations with flagged NPCs. If an entry references a location, set a manual waypoint to save travel time. Doing this prevents You finish by completing the remaining diary objectives and collecting rewards from the quest log or reward chest. Rewards can include unique items and story fragments. Once you claim them, save the game manually, because some diary progress does not auto-sync across sessions. If the diary fails to trigger, make sure it is equipped, then reload your last save and return to the trigger area. The most reliable fix is re-equipping the diary and replaying the interaction sequence to force the state update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.